here in western Pennsylvania, we had, well, probably a day or two where it's in February now. The temperature it reached almost 60 degrees, and I could not resist getting out the backhoe and doing some digging. So there is actually a pipe half buried in the dirt over here, and I've looked at this thing for many years, and I tried digging it out once, but I don't know what it was. It was just too stuck in the ground for me to get it out by hand. I guess I could have spent some more time on it, but you know, I just really wasn't that interested. But now that we have the backhoe here, I am more than willing to do stuff like this, dig this pipe out of here. I think this was an old culvert from whenever they put in, there's a culvert on my right side that is plastic now. It's been replaced with plastic. And I think this one was the old one, maybe? I'm not real sure. The pipe is only about 4 or 5 feet long. And there it comes. Start to see it a little bit here. But I am really happy we have this backhoe now. I'm actually looking for a lot of things to do with it, which I don't have to look very far around here. So I'm just trying to get this thing out of here. It has tons of holes in it and whatnot. It's in really rough shape, so obviously it's not usable anymore. It's going to go to the scrapyard. But this thing is kind of an eyesore in the, let's see, it would be the fall, winter, and a little bit of the spring. In the summer, it would all grow up here, and obviously you couldn't see it, but this time of the year you could, so I figured, well, I'm going to get in here and do something with it. I recently got my Harbor Freight tilt trailer, or foldable tilt trailer, legal, so I have probably 4 or 5 loads of scrap to go to the scrapyard, and I figured trying to round up some of the scrap elsewhere, get it all in one spot, load it up, and get it out of here so I can get a little bit of money for it. I guess scrap is up now. I'm not real sure. I have friends that are big into scrapping stuff, and he said that when the economy is up and the stock market is up, scrap prices are up also. So who knows? We will. I guess we'll find that out when I get there. But yeah, somebody flattened this pipe here. I don't know when this was dumped here, but it's been there the entire time that I've lived here, which has been probably, well, it was since 2000, so we're in 2018, so I guess that'd be 18 years ago that it's been here. But just trying to clean up the place a little bit and get some money at the scrapyard. The backhoe seems to be doing pretty good, and I am so happy we have this thing. It's really been a valuable piece of equipment. Yes, it's slow. Yes, it's archaic. Yes, it has, you know, clay in the bushings, and it's 6 levers? Let's see, 1 for to turn the boom, 1 to raise and lower the boom, 1 for the stick, 1 for the curl on the bucket, and then I guess it would be 2 on the raise and lower each outrigger. So like, it's a 6 lever machine. It's 1955 Ford 850 and a 54 Sherman backhoe. So it's pretty ancient.
This is actually a riveted pipe. See the rivets on there? And I think this is another piece here, but it is so far gone. Unless it might be a stone. Kind of neat. All the big massive rivets. And then there's a whole bunch underneath too. She's kind of full of dirt, but there you go. I've looked at that pipe for, probably almost 20 years now, and we finally have a backhoe to make it worth our while to get stuff like this out. I tried digging this out by hand one time. Oh man, I don't know if the ground was frozen or it was just really stuck in there. So pretty sweet. So thanks for watching. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you all in the next one.